Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that uh, even though people are leaving the big cities for a better life, for whatever reasons, for a better life in a small town, people have to do some introspection as to what kind of a life do they want. There are advantages of living in a big city. There are disadvantages of living in a big city. The same can be said for small towns. The same can be said for small cities. All kinds of lifestyles has its own disadvantages, has its own advantages. So, what kind of a life do you want? If you want, a lot of people say that people who live in big cities, they don't have a lot of friends. People don't talk to their neighbors properly. If you're living in a big city, that is not necessarily true. That might be the experience for a lot of people living in big cities. People might not be talking to their neighbors properly in a big city, but that is not everyone's experience. A lot of people do enjoy, do have a great social life. I know people living in big cities who have great relations with their neighbors. Uh, in the same way, uh, in the same way, uh, this if you are living in a small town, yes, a lot of people have great social lives in small towns. In the same way, a lot of people don't have great social lives in small towns. It also depends on the kind of person you are. Some people are introverts. Some people don't want to socialize with a lot of people. And then on the other hand, some people like to party. Some people like to socialize with other people. Not necessarily party, but do socialize with other people. Um, uh, book clubs and all those kinds of things. So, how kitty parties, things of those kinds. So it is not necessary that your experience of living in a small town, of living in a big city, is going to be the same for others as well, because people are different. People's priorities are different. People's cultural backgrounds might be different. People are different. That's what I'm trying to say. So if you are thinking that the problems that you might have had while living in a big city are automatically going to go away while you move to a small town, or a smaller city, whatever, uh, it doesn't always happen that way. Sometimes things don't always turn out the way you want them to turn out. Maybe after moving to the small towns, maybe you would find that small town life can be great. Maybe it is great. Maybe it is much better for you, than the big city life that you left behind. All power to you. God bless. If you want to live in a small town, great. If you want to live a great life in a small city, why not? Who am I to stop you? So yeah, do that. But it doesn't always work out like that for everyone. So my advice would be that, think about it yourself from an objective standpoint as to what kind of a life you want, what kind of a person you are, and what kind of a neighborhood are you living in. I mean, there are different kinds of neighborhoods in a small town, different kinds of neighborhoods in a small city. The same can be said of big cities. The same can be said of small towns. Yeah, you know what I said. So that's the whole point. It is not always going to be uniform and the same for everyone. So the problems that you might have had with big city life might not be that might not be that great compared to the problems that you might encounter in a small city. For example, the number of job opportunities that you might have had at your disposal in a big city are much greater compared to the kind of job opportunities that you would have in a smaller town, in a smaller city. But again, uh, maybe you can adjust to that as well. So yeah, that's what I'm saying, that it might not work out for you. It might not work out for you. But again, if you are able to find a proper decent job in a smaller town, in a smaller city, and then great. And a lot of people do say that the sense of community that you would find in a smaller town, in a smaller city, would be much better, but that isn't always the case. I have seen neighborhoods where, in small towns, where people don't see each other eye to eye. So problematic people, problematic neighborhoods are found in almost every part of the world, in all kinds of places, in big cities, in small cities, in small towns. So human beings are basically different. There's a spectrum of human beings available at various places. Good, excellent, bad, pathetic, all kinds of people are there in small towns and big cities. So think about it, think about your own situation. If you think that moving to the small town would be great for you, great. But if you realize that moving to the small town deprives you of job opportunities, deprives you of a great social life, because maybe the small town and the small cities don't have something called a nightlife. Maybe there aren't a lot of pubs, and there aren't a lot of nightclubs in the small towns or in the small cities that you are moving into. So if you are the kind of person who likes to party a lot late into the night, you would be missing out on a lot of entertainment if you are living in a small town, if you are living in a small city, compared to your life in a big city. You understand what I'm trying to say? There are advantages of living in a big city, there are disadvantages of living in a big city. The same can be said of others as well. So yeah, analyze your situation. What kind of a annual income do you want from your life that would be able to what kind of a lifestyle do you want? Do you want to be middle class, upper middle class, lower middle class, rich? What kind of a lifestyle do you want? Do you want to live do you want to live do you want to have a great nightlife? Do you want to or are you more interested in having a sense of community that you would find in a small town? What are your priorities? Try to take stock of it, of your situation, and decide accordingly. I have no bias against big cities or small towns. Both of them are great in their own ways. Just take your pick and live a decent life. And yeah, all power to you. May God keep you safe wherever you are. Small town, big city, small city, whatever you prefer. So yeah, this is it from me, from this video. Until the next video, stay safe. If you like this video, please consider liking this video. Please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances. And please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe. Goodbye and God bless you.